Woo, I end up being like right on the top. That's right there is what I keep doing wrong. What's up, pilots? Every flight is a lesson, and the lesson today is power loops. Part of the struggle is camera angle. The higher the camera angle, the harder the power loops become. I fly with 30 degrees on the angle, which makes it really challenging. I have been trying to get this move down for a while. So I'm gonna take you along to show you what's going wrong and what I am learning. Armed, and let's go. Let's get to work. So here is the condition here. The wind is coming from this direction, so it makes it a little bit harder when you go the other side. Okay, so you see I end up being right in the top, higher, and I think the reason is I need to wait more till the ground disappears before I give the full throttle, like now. Like now. So I gotta wait. Okay, the ground disappeared. Here it is. So that's where the struggle is. But now if I try the other way around, meaning if I try, and the wind right now is tailwind, that means I need more power to throw myself back in order for me to go back. Let's try and see what happens here. Full power, and here it is. I end up being a little bit high. Yeah. So I need to do more of the 100% throttle. Look at the throttle right there in the bottom. That's why I keep the telemetry on so you can see it. Okay, now the ground disappear, full throttle, going back, end up being really high. See, it's really windy. So the wind makes it more challenging, obviously. If I'm facing the wind, it's much easier. I was able to do 3 of them. But if I'm coming this way and the wind is pushing me from behind, that's where it's more struggle. So I'm gonna wait a little bit, wait, the ground just disappear, full throttle, and go back. A little bit high. I mean, I'm not sure if I can do another one. Like 2 power loops. But in order for me to do that, I need to throw myself back more. Here. Okay, maybe now, I don't know, let's try. Full throttle. I end up being high on the second one. See, the wind is coming from where you see those little bitty flags or wind socks, however you want to call them. So yeah, this is the struggle. I mean, I'm getting better every day. Today I'm better than yesterday for sure. I stayed more on the throttle. More on the throttle. Okay, that's better. Let's try another one. Third one is a charm. Yep. So the main issue is like, because I have a 30 degrees angle on the camera, it helps me if I wanted to go fast and low like this. The 30 degrees angle makes it really advantage here. But when you wanted to do power loops, that's a whole different story. That's a whole different story. Especially if the wind is coming from behind, like right now. Okay, the ground disappeared, and here we go. Not bad, but I can't do another one. I'm too late to do another one. I would like to see myself doing, like, keep doing again and again and again till I get tired. That would be the good outcome. Okay, I'm gonna wait till the ground disappears completely, full throttle, and here we go. A little bit tight, not bad. Let's try here with the wind and coming in the face. I don't need to stay too long on the throttle. I need to be much less here. See, I'm coming in an angle because of the wind. Trying to be straight ahead to the wind, because if not, let's say I wanted to do it without compensating for that wind, like go straight like this, I'm gonna end up being on the side for sure, but let's try. See how I end up being on the right side? So yeah, it's very windy, and that wind makes it more challenging for sure. It's really hot today, that's why I'm flying it from the car. I think it feels like 117, 120, something like that. It's crazy. Summer is here in Texas, so woo, I end up being like right on the top. You see that? Still struggling, but like I said, I'm today better than yesterday. The 30 degrees angle on the camera helps going fast and low like this, licking grass, but not when you want to do a power loops, of course. Five inches, really excellent to draw, man. You can control it really precisely. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back. So it's just a training session today with power loops. Thank you for sticking around to the end. That's where I'm at with power loops. Still not there yet, but closer than yesterday. Where are you in power loops journey? If you have already mastered it, drop a comment, advice for us that's still struggling with it. See you in the next mission.